Hello, I'm HDynasty, and I'm back with some more Terraria. Well, yes, I'm back. I did some things behind the scenes. As I said before, I extended the diamond out 2 squares, so it looks bigger now, and it's a bit deeper. And I mined all of the clay and all of the rock that was here. So I have that. 67. Oh, it's not that much. Well, anyways, uh, thing is, between recordings, I've been standing here eating cereal, running my own business. Zombies falling down from down here. They started bugging me. I started poking them to death. And one of them dropped a very interesting item. A rain hat. Completely vanity, but let's go put it on. And I'll look hilarious. Ah, wonderful. Oh, let's go out in the rain hat. Why not? Oh! Yeah, flying fish. I seen them before when I was out and deleting any sort of thing when I took back my diamond. Yeah, I died like 5 times, I think. Yeah. Scram. Scram. Scramfish. Scram. Eh, eh, it's just like clicking. Man, it's taking a while. Okay, it's done. How lovely. It stopped raining as well. I never did get a comment on how to pick up worms. Really wish to know, because I would love to fish. Amazing. Get some wood. Okay, what I want to do today is most likely explore. I haven't been exploring much at all. So, after I get this bunch of wood and start placing down more trees, explore the land, explore it. Oh yeah, I mind that tin over there. One of that important cord. Okay. Place, 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 place. Place that one there. There's a bunny and rabbits just hanging about. He's there for now. Should I start exploring? Just start exploring this one. Just respawn near here so it's easier. Ah, so many slimes! Crap load. You know what, actually before I leave, let's actually make ourselves. Oh yeah, I realized in between recordings, this is called an annoying copper short sword. I have to say, it lives up to its name. Freaking annoying slimes. Come here! Okay, got him. Alright, let's make ourselves an astral sword. Oh, and a furnace while we're at it. Furnace, got. Wooden sword, got. It's much stronger than the. Oh, it's much faster. Ooh. I like it. I can make some wooden armor, but I don't know. Doesn't sound like a good idea. Never really does. Okay. You there? What can I do now? Didn't I? No. Alright, what can I do? Oh yeah, I could smell up some red bricks. I don't really want to use red bricks for this. Probably use it for something else, but probably not for this. Oh yeah, smelted my tin. Got 2. Can I make anything with that? Probably not. Yeah. Oh yeah, I need iron. Some sort of iron material to make a, whatchamacallit? Manville. That's it. That's it. That's the word I'm looking for. Me and my wondrous memory. Get along so well. Oh yeah, there's Jeff. Hey Jeff, how you doing down there? Can you get a little closer so I can actually speak to you? No? Let me come down there. Alright, I'll come down there. Let's see what I can make. Stone. I'm curious. I haven't been around. Oh, stone slab. Is it like building material? Actually, doesn't look that bad. How do I get it? Of course, all the other stuff. Wow, green thread and silk. Bunch of crazy stuff you get. What? Wait, letters? Oh, I can spell out my name. Oh, I can make a HDynasty hotel. That's amazing. Like a boulder, active stone block. That's all redstone stuff. I don't really care about that. Not good technically wise. Okay, while it's doing that, what else am I gonna look up? Dirt. Mud. Dirt wall. Useless. Okay, what else? Wood. No, I don't want to look at that. Clay. Red citral. If I get silt. Oh, make a certain kind of. Actually, it might be good. Keep my eye out. Okay, enough talking to you. Okay, I'm gonna plug you back up. There we go. Have fun in there. I'll build you a house eventually, but don't count on it. What's this? A yellow marigold. Okay. Get this shroom. I mean, I could mine that. I don't really need to. Please don't be a giant lake. Or giant as in deep giant. Not as in how it already is giant. It's a big hill. I can actually mine through it. Just save myself some time. Probably a good idea. Oh, it's already mined through. How lovely. Let's open these up. There's a torch there. There's a chest! Chests are always good. Alright, what's in this chest? Big money, big money, big money! Boomerang. That's gonna be useful. Somewhat. Oh, I got rope! And grenades. There's about grenades. I got rope. That's amazing. Got recall potion. What's the oh, that's helpful. That's like the return orb or whatever it's called. Some bottles. That's always nice. Silver coins, iron skin potion, shuriken, and of course the chest. I got all that. Man, look at this place. I should probably make some more torches. That's probably a good idea. Yeah. There we go. That's enough. Oh, I have 3 extra. I'll use this 3. Do 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 do. Do do do. There we go. Place you over here. I'll get back up eventually, but for now, I don't care if I do. Sink into the depths. I'm gonna take that torch. Kill these slime where I'm at. There we go. So much better with a swinging sword instead of a stabby sword. So much better. Oh, this is an ore? What kind of ore is it? Tin. Okay, I need more of that. I didn't make myself a hammer. Oh no! Please slam. That was easy. Okay. Ah! Sometimes I even know what I'm doing anymore. Oh no, I can't see him. There we go. I can. There we go. Don't worry, I'll break the pots. I'll break them. There we go. It's down here, more clay. Okay, so I don't really have to worry about clay, I don't think. I think I'm good when it comes to clay. I just need silt. That'll be good to have. It'd be an interesting building material. So, deeper we go. Hopefully the monsters don't get any more scarier. My genius grammar skills. Oh my gosh, I could do grammar. I do grammar. Anyways. Okay. Even more of it? Yeesh, there's a lot of tin. I'm finding a lot of tin. I'm not finding much of anything else. A lot of tin. Okay, let's make a normal staircase. Do 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 do. $19. So, how's yours guys' day? Hope you're having a lovely time. I edited quite a bit of the first episode, if you have seen, because those times I was just rambling on about nothing and didn't really help at all. In fact, quite possibly I can edit this out, but who knows? Actually, no, I'm gonna leave this in. I should edit it out. Oh, there's a new cave area. Just dig straight. I don't need to go on top of that. Why do I need to put more effort into myself? I mean, really. Okay, that's it. That's all that's here. Okay. Just making sure. Let's go down to the depths. Okay. Now that this is gone, jump down, place a torch there, place a torch there, some more tin. I'm getting a crap load of tin. Like a lot of it. Bunch of tin. Alright, but now that I've verified my account out, you don't have to worry about like 15-minute short episodes. This one's going to be 20 minutes. In fact, I think I'm going to do 20 minutes for each video now. Dude, that blue jellyfish, I don't trust you. I don't trust anything in the water. You shouldn't trust anything in the water. They're all dangerous. Especially slimes. It's like, holy crap. The way they move? Oh, that's something special. Well, at least now I can summon the boss without any worries. It's always nice. I got iron! Finally! Something else! Oh, look, webs. Oh, webs. Webs are always nice. Always. It's always nice to have webs. Okay. Get some dirt. That's right, I'm building dirt to web. Deal with it. I like web. It's nice. Gives me tons of freedom to do whatever I please. Okay, now I've done that. Let's clear the way for the... What's it called? I don't know what it's called. Let's find out. Can I make anything? Nope, can't make anything yet. If I had more lens, I could. Yeah. Big slime down there. Let's play. Come on, blue slime. First episode was mostly introduction, anyways. To me, to Jeff, to everybody. Okay, jump down! Okay, this is like... Alright. I'm getting the other music now. Alright, come on now. Jump. Jump! No, I don't want you to fall. I want you to jump. Come on. There we go. Now I can jump. I can't. There we go. I got all of it. I got all of it. So, what now am I going to do? Well, now... What's that? Doesn't look natural at all. Oh, never mind. It's just dirt. Ah! Poisoned. There is a booby trap right there. Thank you. I'm taking this too. I don't like traps. They're not nice at all. They're very mean. They have a nasty mouth. Like cussing. Okay. Bunch of fish things down there. Oh my god. Can't get out of this one. Oh. Oh. I survived. Somehow. And I see this trap here. Think I wouldn't notice you? Really? Guessing there's a thing over there. Oh, what is that? That is not normal. Oh no, I accidentally broke my torch. Oops, sorry, torch. Didn't mean you. Something, what is it? Oh, I got iron! Oh, I can make an anvil. Oh, I love this. There's a good pile of it. Really good one. Oh, built into a hole. Oh, lovely. What's down here? Is that a heart? That's a heart. Let's go get that heart. Why not? But first, grab some iron. There's quite a lot of it. Okay. Think I'll make it? If I jump towards there, you think you'll make it? Yeah! Nope. Nope, didn't make it. Oh, there we go. I made it. Okay, where's that iron? Okay. Grab this iron. And now, what's this background? It's kind of ominous. Okay, let's mine this. Got it. And now, for the moment of truth, we shall consume this heart. No, I got 120 health now. How lovely, and no armor. Usually get armor before health. I mean, it's usually the thing that happens. Okay, I need dirt. Give me my dirt back. Piece is mine now. There we go. Okay, what's down here? Oh, yeah, it's dropping if I do. Oh, is that sand? Sand's always nice. Oh, it reminds me of my first playthrough. I found these awesome accessories. Playthrough that was lost during recording. Oh, there's something up there. Oh, there's nothing up here at all. I don't know why I said there was something up here. Oh, that's iron. Go get it. Let's get some oxygen in us. That's probably a good idea. Don't know where my mouse was going there. So I go to the bottom of my screen. Now I can't get out. I realize this. I'll use the potion. Mining all this tin. Wait, it wasn't iron ore, it was tin ore. Or was it iron ore? Could have been halfway iron ore. No, it was tin ore. No, it could be iron. I don't know anymore. Not bad memory. I don't even know what else mining. Yeesh. That is really bad. Put that there. Okay. I am just gonna go au revoir. Goodbye. No. Oh, it's nighttime now. That's not good. Let's go swinging sword. It's always nice. No, I don't want to kill a squirrel. Thank you. Killing any grass on my way. No zombies showed up, I see. Oh, the grass grew. Anyways, I'll call this an episode. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you liked, please leave a comment and down below, and leave a comment. And if you want to see more, please subscribe. I'd love to have subscriptions or people subscribers. That's it. Subscribers. That's the word. That's right. That's right. Okay, I'll see you next time. Tomorrow, maybe. We'll see. We'll see.